A warm wishes to everyone. I am Ashwini. I am doing my BE graduation in Srinivas Institute of Technology. My branch is Electronics and Communication. As per our subject, Innovation and Design Thinking, we had to choose a product that can be implemented after 50 years. I have chosen oxygen cylinder as my product because oxygen will be in huge demand after 50 years. Because there will be a lack of oxygen in atmosphere after 50 years due to the deforestation or the lack of plantations, etc. I will start my PPT presentation. My startup company name is Human Care. Product present name is oxygen cylinder. Product proposed name is compressed oxygen cylinder. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. The people who are expired due to the deficiency of oxygen, they should become alive after supplying this highly compressed oxygen into their lungs. This is a crazy empathy because this cannot be implemented as per the rule of life. The second one is the amount of oxygen that can be stored in it should be equal to the amount of oxygen that can be released by nearly 20 big trees in one day. Means the capacity of oxygen stored in that cylinder is very high. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of the customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is oxygen cylinder and the futuristic product name is compressed oxygen cylinder. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. High compression. The cover which is made for the oxygen cylinder should be very hard because as the temperature increases, the pressure of the gas increases so that it can damage the cover of the oxygen cylinder. It may be cause of leakage in the oxygen cylinder. Amount of oxygen stored is very high as compared to the normal oxygen cylinder. More efficient to use. Prototype stage. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. This is the sketch of oxygen cylinder that I am going to implement. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you. I hope you have liked my product.